Welcome back to Amaryllo. In this video, we will be showing you how to use the auto tracking feature.
What is auto tracking? The auto tracking mode tells the camera that if it detects pixel movement, to keep following the subject until the movement stops or is no longer in view of the camera. The Apollo and Zeus cameras can turn left and right 170 degrees, and with their 100-degree lenses are able to observe a complete 360-degree area. Aries and Triton can turn the full 360 degrees from a fixed point. This freedom of movement allows blind spots to be easily covered, meaning you won't have to spend time and money setting up multiple cameras to cover one area. Auto tracking should be turned on by default when you receive your camera. To access this feature from the Amaryllo app, go into Settings, scroll down to the Camera section, and you will find the toggle switch to turn auto tracking on and off. After auto tracking has been enabled in Settings, you can still manually pan, tilt, and zoom your camera by swiping and double tapping on the live video screen to view desired angles. Please note that when you manually move the camera by swiping, this disables the auto tracking. However, you can turn it back on easily by tapping Auto Track or by simply closing the live view.
To temporarily turn off auto tracking, simply select Go Home on the bottom menu. You can also turn off auto tracking in Settings. If you would like to learn more about our other features, please visit our website at amarillo.us. Thanks for watching.